It's a Top That Trade Day with pro traders Phil Flynn, a Fox Business News contributor, and Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Here we go. A few rounds with their top trades. Round number one, rational exuberance. The Fed says stocks are highly valued. What do you think? Are stocks hot or not?
Yeah, this market's had a big climb. All that means is you get some profit-taking pullback at any time. But we've been in a lower left, upper right market for the last 50 years. So yeah, things can always get higher. And these technical indicators or whatever indicators you always look at can always get more extreme. And they can be scary, but the market momentum is powerful.
It's the maestro, irrational exuberance in the stock market would crash. Of course, if you look where the stock market is right now, it looks irrational to think it was irrational, but it did have a major correction. This time the market dipped as well when we heard, from the Fed chairman, stocks are highly valued. And I will tell you, by traditional measurements, he's right. I mean, if you look at the price to earnings ratios of a lot of these stocks, they're very fairly priced. But we keep going back to artificial intelligence, right? Because these stocks aren't pricing in the future, or they are pricing in the future. The momentum is that they know that their profitability is going to be a lot bigger than traditional measurements, and that's why we're there. Does that mean we won't get a correction? No, we could get a correction. Are we going to get it soon? I don't think we're going to get it soon, but maybe another 20% up in the stock market, I'd be careful.
Round number two, can corn pop? December corn futures dipped below $4 for 3 days, then bounced. What's your corny trade?
Now, if you look at the corn supplies, they're pretty good, but they're not overwhelming. So if this demand continues, if we get a trade deal for China, corn could have a pretty exceptional move to the upside. If you can't handle the corn futures, you can always get corny, play the ETF corn. It's easy to remember because it's spelled C-O-R-N. There you go.
Phil, look behind me. What does it say? Options. You can always use options for have limited risk plays on anything. So, corn had some harvest pressure, obviously. Dip below $4, test and reject. That's very positive. But if you look at the picture, we've been between $4 and $8. So $6 is the midpoint of the last couple of years. A lot of risk reward potential on the upside. And you said a lot of people love corn. Yeah, people love corn, but it's the cows that love the corn. We use corn as feed, for the pigs and cows. I don't know how much you and I eat, but it probably doesn't put a dent in the corn. Get it?
Yeah, and you got cattle prices at record highs,
corn.
and I did eat corn. It was very good, actually. I love this time of year. The corn tastes so good right off the stalk.
Round number three, winning loser. Google is beating NVIDIA's performance this year. Pick a tech stock that could be next that is not in the Mag 7. And I know this is a tough order because it's becoming harder to find those kind of plays.
That is true. I like Mobileye down here at these levels, but the big lesson to be learned is that every stock is up. We've got the NASDAQ up 50% from its low in April. We've got the S&P up 40%. So no matter what stock you held on to, it should be doing pretty well as long as you didn't exit when we had that drop in April.
How about NVIDIA and Intel getting together? That's very intelligent, I think. At the same time, I like AMD, which is stock that isn't in the Magnificent Seven, but could be. And so keep an eye on AMD, and I think that would be a good choice.
On to your bonus round question. It's all about chicken. Name the fast food chain that is joining the crispy chicken craze. Is it In-N-Out Burger, El Pollo Loco, or McDonald's?
I'll say Pollo Loco because I've never heard of it before.
It's a California chain, delicious. It's more grilled chicken. So the answer there is no. It's McDonald's. And they also have a golden sauce to go with their crispy chicken.
Well, technically, the answer is El Pollo Loco. Crispy tenders are coming out next year.
No, it's
there
not.
You go. Rock and roll.
It's not.
Don't go loco. Get your chicken. I'm telling you.
Okay, you can share the win with Bill for a winner chicken dinner because McDonald's is coming out with some new crispy chicken sandwiches. Business First AM will be right back.
Winner chicken dinner. I like it. Okay, good.